All right, welcome back. In example 1.3.2, which we'll cover in this video, we'll look at the set of all vectors in R4 that fit two equations, 2a plus b plus c equals d, and a minus b equals 0. We're asked to write W as a span, so we need to find a set of generators S, so that span of S is W. All right, let's look at the two equations we're given. Sorry about that. So we want to have 2a plus b plus c equals d and a minus b equals 0. That gives us a linear system, 2a plus b plus c minus d equals 0 and a minus d equals 0. So we could solve this system. Notice that for homogeneous system, you don't need to put the constants in. They're always going to stay 0. Let me just do it for you guys. We just did one completely. Let's do this one with a bit of magic. This is what I got. 0, 0. And so I'm getting S and t here, two free variables. I have my two leading coefficients. And so first equation tells me that a is minus a third s plus a third t. Second equation tells me that b is minus a third s plus a third t. The c is s, d is t. And so what we're getting is that, let's put it here, a, b, c, d is equal to minus a third, 1, 0 times s, plus 1/3, 1/3, 0, 1 times t. So notice that what we have here, that's a linear combination of two vectors. And so if I want to write the whole span, the whole W as a span, I'm just going to let S and T go to R. And if I let S and T span the whole R, then what I'll get is that W is spanned by the two vectors. And so that's the answer. All right, so the last two examples in some ways did opposite things, and I want to make sure it's clear because you need to be able to do those two things, and it's nice to have them one next to the other. All right, so in part B of example 1.3.1, we started with a subset span of V1, V2, V3, and we actually described the solution set as we described the span as a solution set of a homogeneous system. So we started with a span. And we said that was the solution set. And we found equation. We found that solution set of minus x plus y plus z equals 0. In the example we just did, we started with the solution set of a homogeneous system. And we found generators and we wrote it as a span. So here we started with the solution set of a linear system. And we wrote it as the span of those two vectors. And so we learned how to go this way, and we learned how to go this way between solution set and span.